Okay, driving through 111 today on Monday morning after the Valentine's Day flooding. Let's see what actually happened, what damages, if any. Prepare to stop ahead. Warning signs. You know, right here is through the pass. Looking in the news and stuff, it seemed like something collapsed on the side of the roads, so not sure. There's the wash. Ooh. Something in the road. Here we go. This is through the pass where you kind of got to watch for fallen rocks or whatnot. See all the sand here, the mud, there's the wash. So far everything's clear. Road work ahead. So it looks like it was maybe beyond, looks like it wasn't really a rock slide. I had thought that maybe that could have been what happened, based on what I had seen here driving in earlier that morning on Valentine's Day when the flooding happened. A bunch of dirt on the other side of the road piled up. Some road work here, left lane closed ahead. Lane closed is here on the left side. It's what I kind of thought they might do, is if they had road work, is close one of the lanes or close multiple lanes, or do exactly what's about to happen here, which is move everything over to the other side of the road. So that seems to be the deal here. Looks like the problem was in this stretch here. Tractors over there, and the road here. Holy. Looks like it just flooded. Lots of rocks in the road. They got the road back, at least this side back open today. Got tractors and such going here. Pretty crazy. Storm did quite a bit of damage. Got two roads here. And up ahead will be the flag thing I was telling you about. Let's see if I can get a better shot of that. to be able to see that flag field. We're all the way on the other side. So. Yeah, lots of cleanup over the weekend. It already cost something like $3.5 million. It's constant to clean up the road, clean up 111. So here is where that flag thing is. I'm bringing us back over to that side of the road. So let's see if that's running. I heard the tram road closed off. Okay, and here it is, heading home later that night. Had an emergency call, so got out pretty late. Alright, so looks like 111's still closed. Well, it's not closed, but it's switched to, you know, these two lanes, one lane going the other way, one lane going this way. A lot of cleanup. It's really crazy on that side. But got better film of the crazy flag thing. Again, I don't like it, but you know, can't really see much of anything of what's going on the other side. And this is just is what it is. 45 miles per hour. Wow. They've reduced the speed. I believe it reopens up here at the Windy Cove area. It'll split back into 4 lanes. So all the damage is on this side of the Windy Cove area. It's going to be a while. Heard it was $3.5 million that it's costing, that they're spending to fix the road, to fix 111. My thought on that is that they may want to build it a little higher to go over anywhere where the flood channels are. I know it's more expense and everything, but sometimes you got to spend money, some money up front to save money in the long run if it's something that's going to keep happening or keep costing you money. I'm sure there's some smart minds working on that, engineers and such. Sometimes it's a balance of the calls that are being made, you know. But yeah, these sides are, it's all back to normal on this end of things on the 111. going towards the 10.
A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.